Understanding, bringing home the bacon. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, bringing home the bacon. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or even come across it in daily conversations. But what does it actually mean? Let's unpack this together and explore its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Bringing home the bacon is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of earning a living, especially for one's family, implying that the person is successfully providing for their household's financial needs. When someone says they're bringing home the bacon, they're essentially saying they're making money to cover their family's expenses. The phrase has a rich history and is believed to have originated from the 12th century in the town of Dunmow, England. A couple who impressed the prior of the local church with their devotion and marital harmony was awarded a side of bacon. This led to the expression, bringing home the bacon, as a metaphor for achieving success or fulfilling one's obligations. Over time, the phrase evolved and became popular in everyday English to denote success in providing for one's family, not just winning a prize. It symbolizes hard work, success, and the fulfillment of responsibilities. Using bringing home the bacon in conversation is pretty straightforward. It's often used in a light-hearted or affirmative context. For example, in personal discussions, with both of us bringing home the bacon, we can plan that dream vacation soon. In professional settings, she's really bringing home the bacon with her new business venture. Remember, while the phrase is positive and signifies success, it's important to use it in appropriate contexts where its meaning can be fully appreciated. Bringing home the bacon is more than just an idiom. It's a reflection of hard work, dedication, and the joy of providing for one's loved ones. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.